Hello, Tech Geekers! Welcome to Quick Bite! In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a lifetime free VPN. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends. Let's go to the video. First, I'm going to show you my current IP address. You can see that my current IP is located in the USA. So how do you change your IP 100% for free? Open a new tab and search for VPN Gate. Click on the first link. This is an academic experiment project from a Japanese university. You can see hundreds of free public VPN providers. Go to the download section, click the first link. It's downloading. After the download is complete, open your download folder and right-click the zip file to extract it. Now install the application. Once installed, open the application. First, go to Add VPN Connection to create a virtual network adapter. It will ask for a name. I'm going to leave the default name and click OK. It's now creating the virtual adapter. Next, go to the VPN Gate public VPN relay servers. Wow! You can see hundreds of free VPN servers with all details such as server region, IP address, ping, bandwidth, and more. I'm going to connect to a Japan VPN server. Click on one and then click Connect to the VPN server. Click OK. It's connected. Now I'll show you my IP address. Yes, you can see that it is now connected to a Japan VPN. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.